Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota RAV4 maintenance required message. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your odometer or trip meter is visible on the dashboard display. If it's not currently showing, simply press the DISP button until the odometer reading appears. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function correctly and efficiently. Now, with the odometer displayed, turn your ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the reset sequence. Next, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While continuously holding this button down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. You should see a series of dashes or zeros on the display, indicating you've entered the reset mode successfully. Keep holding the trip meter reset button. You will observe the dashes on the display gradually disappearing, one by one. After a few moments, the maintenance required light will flash briefly and then completely turn off. This signifies that the reset process is complete. Once the light is off, you can release the button. Your Toyota RAV4 maintenance reminder is now successfully reset. To verify the reset, start your engine. The maintenance required light should now be off. If it reappears, simply repeat these steps, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. A successful reset means you're good to go until your next service interval. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a smart way to keep your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.